Hello everyone, Kaylee here. Today I wanted to share with you just a quick tip on how to create a fun rendering where you blend the contour image with an actual realistic rendering. So first thing I do is I go into Photolab, and in Photolab I have the same exact image that I've rendered twice here. So the first one I rendered with the realistic setting, and then I copied that thumbnail and I select the contour image and I rendered that one as well. When you save them, so you can save the first image just as a regular JPEG, so you can save it as a JPEG file. But the second image, you want to make sure to save that rendered image as a PNG. The reason you want to save it as a PNG is so that when we're going to take it into another program here and make some changes, and the PNG allows you to make it transparent. So make sure you select that PNG setting. So once you save those images, I'm going to go out. I have a program called Snagit, but you could use Photoshop. There is another free web-based program called Pixlr, Pixlr. So in my program, the Snagit one, what I want to do is open up my PNG, my contour image, and I'm going to use my magic wand setting. And I have in my properties, I've got a tolerance set right in the middle. There's some various settings that you would need to do in Photoshop or Pixlr, but basically what I want to do is select all the white in the image and I want to delete it. So I'm just going to click on my image and I'm going to hit delete, and you'll notice all the white goes away and just leaves the black lines. I have another effect that I'm going to add that adds a little bit of fading to the edge, so it fades out my contour image. There are probably other effects in your programs that you could try as well, but this is just so that the lines will fade out to the end and it will create that image where you'll see just the fully rendered image on the other side. So once you have done that, you want to save this image that you've created. And I'm just going to go into PowerPoint. So I have PowerPoint here and I have inserted my color fully rendered image, and right on top of it, I'm going to insert my contour image. So I'm going to go and open my contour image that I've made transparent. And I'm just going to size it correctly to fit my space. And we're almost done. All we're going to do here now in PowerPoint, I'm going to format this picture. So you want to right click on it and you want to say format picture. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a gradient fill. So over underneath the paint bucket there, I'm just going to select gradient fill. And as you can see, it'll just sort of add that fading, and I can flip this. You might need to change some of the settings, whether you want it going a certain direction. You can pick linear or radial, rectangular path. I choose the linear, so it goes side to side. And then I'm going to adjust the gradient stop, so you can come in here and adjust how far it fades. And then you can also adjust the transparency. So we can make it very white on one side and clear on the other. We can adjust that just a little bit more. That's all it is. Very simple. Hope you enjoyed that tip. And as always, have fun creating.